Today we're replacing both of the links for the rear anti-sway bar on a W123, my 1984 turbo diesel. So let's just go underneath here and I'll just show you first what we have. There is the link right down here, connects the sway bar down here to the axle, and see, it's loose. That's because that link, the bushing there at the link is worn out. I bought new ones. This is what it looks like on the other side. So this is on the driver's side of the car. That's what it looks like. And it's loose too. So we will be taking that off and replacing them. Here are the replacement. Both right and left. They're interchangeable. Let's take them out of the package and let's just see what we have. These are manufactured by Phoebe Bilstein. Very inexpensive part. OEM. Let's see, I think I paid around $7.50 each, thereabouts. So let's see about putting these things, taking the old off. Start on the passenger side first, and I'm going to remove the wheel. One thing that I've discovered that's very useful are these wheel holder studs. Put them in the place of your wheel bolt and screw them in. It's knurled here at the top, so you can just do it by hand. And then as you take off your lug nuts or your lug bolts, then your wheel doesn't fall in your lap, which everybody who's done this knows exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, they're all out. And then you can see the wheel would have fallen. But now all I can do is just pull it out on this. There you go. Just pull it out. Lay the wheel over here. Okay, I'm going to leave this in because I can rehang the wheel on here. Okay, now let's raise it up so we can have better access to this. I sprayed both sides with some penetrating fluid. Let's see if this is broken free. You got a wrench over here on this side. Okay, it's broken free. Let's get a ratchet. All right, you can see the end of the bolt, the nut right here that holds this link on. I have to reach down in here and get that, and I'll just take that out and show it to you when it's out. It's out, and just for your reference, these are 17mm nuts, and you can tell this is original to the car, so they do last a long time. And one difference between the original and this OEM replacement is that they had these wavy washers in there to act as a lock washer, whereas the new one is a nylon inserted lock washer, which I think is a better arrangement. And then let me just show you how loose this thing is. See that? It's very, very loose. on both ends. And that's going to improve the handling in the back and stop a knocking noise I was hearing back there. Compare this to the new one. You can't even move it, which is exactly what you want to do. Okay, let's put the new one on. All right, there's the new one in place on the passenger side. We'll go over and do the driver's side next. Okay, there's one there. And we'll get one in up here. Okay, put that in. Pull this out. And go ahead and put the rest of them in. That wheel holder thingy that you stick in these holes, these stud bolt holes, is really handy. Now we'll just move to the other side. All right, so go ahead and get this one up here to the top undone. There it is, the old one. Okay, let's put the new one in. Take the nuts off. All right, let's work this bolt in. And once we get this in, we'll tighten the top one up. Yeah, this thing's a little bit hard to reach. But once you kind of get the rhythm down with the wrench oriented in the right way, it just goes right on in. That's one of the things I enjoy about working on these old Mercedes-Benz, is that parts are readily available. They're not too bad in terms of expense, and they're very durable. And guess what? Things come apart and they go back together again like they're supposed to. Believe me, I've had a lot of experience in working on British cars, and these old Mercedes are a joy to work on. Yep, going right in there very smoothly. These machine threads are a little tedious, but they're necessary. They're a nice fit. Move that a little bit further down. Alright, getting a little tight. Not much far to go. Lift is a nice thing to have, that's for sure. Okay, let's get it tight. Now, just sit down on that. Okay, now we just have to get this top one in. Let's put this wrench on here to hold that in place, and then we get the ratchet. Again, it's a matter of getting things in here. This top one's a lot easier because you can get to it much easier, which is nice. There you go. Okay, fixed. Okay, there you go. There's the new one in place. All you have to do is put the wheel on. Okay. Well, I think it's done. I appreciate you watching Ken's Show and Tell.